This is a folding shoebox by a group called Jeko Jeko. It's got 10 different compartments inside, and the plastic door will cover up 2 of those compartments each, so there's 5 different plastic doors. This thing, I'm about 6 foot tall. This thing is nearly 6 foot tall, so quite high. It's collapsible, so you can crush it down like an accordion and pull it back up. So if you want to pack, if you're a minimalist, that's a pretty good deal. In fact, let me show you the unboxing. So the shelf comes out as one piece, and you need to lay it down on its side to lock all of the connection points together. After that, you flip it onto the other side, and you also lock those connection points together as well. Next, you put it to where you can get access to the back, and then on the back panels, you'll push them in and connect them as well. The last step is to peg in the clear plastic doors, and they can actually be pegged from right or left, just depending on which way you prefer them to swing. And they also have a magnetic latch to keep them closed. In total, it took me about 5 minutes from unboxing to complete the setup. Okay, so this is the shelf right here, and it's kind of thin. It's good enough for shoes. I wouldn't put anything heavier on there. This side is very sturdy. Also, it advertises being able to shelf up to size 12 shoes, which mine are, and I can confirm my shoes are size 12 and they do fit.